Why spend your whole life trying to be somebody that you're not? It's so much more fun to be yourself. Fuck what everybody says. And now 5 years later, I look out into this crowd and I look out into the world and Lady Gaga's not so fucking weird anymore, right? What that means is that you have the power to change. You have the power to change anything. So, homegirl, right there. Are you brave enough not to give a shit? Vancouver, do you give a fuck? I didn't think you would, especially in that bubbly little hat of yours. And you know why? Because you're just a bunch of fucking bad kids. We don't care what people say, we know